Spaghetti, fresh shrimps and cherry tomatoes, and the light garlic taste, all balanced by a good rye white wine and the fresh chopped parsley. Hello my friends! If you are looking for a super quick and delicious seafood recipe, I have a perfect one just for you. Let's dive in. While the water for spaghetti starts to heat, we will prepare the shrimps. Remove the heads. Peel the shell using a fork just like I am doing. And clean the shrimps very well, leaving the tail on for some of them. For a gorgeous flavor, finely chop 3 cloves of garlic and parsley tail to complement the shrimps and the cherry tomatoes. Grate the peel from an organic lemon. This will elevate the taste of the shrimps. Now the pasta water has heated. Add the salt to the water and continue with the sauce. In a roomy pan, add some olive oil and start cooking the shrimps. Add the mosaic peppercorn and the finely chopped garlic and the parsley tail. Now add the cherry tomatoes and some grated chili peppers, which will bring your pasta to another level. Add a pinch of salt and let the shrimps soften for maximum 2 minutes. The garlic, olive oil, chili pepper and tomato blend into a creamy sauce. Finally, add some extra lemon zest and a splash of wine. Turn up the heat to let the alcohol evaporating, leaving behind the grape flavor. When the sauce is almost ready, start cooking the pasta. We will need a very nice al dente spaghetti, so boil based on the recommendation from the package. In my case, the cooking time was 3 minutes in total. So after 2 minutes boil, I add the pasta over the sauce and let it shimmer for 1 minute to absorb all the flavors. Add a bit of pasta water before finishing the emulsion and some fresh chopped parsley. Plate your pasta, creating a nice nest for the shrimps. For a nice plating, arrange the shrimps as you desire and top it off with chopped parsley. This is the moment of truth, a tastement of flavor of love. Dig in and savor the exquisite taste of this incredible shrimp spaghetti recipe, which has a hint of wine and the love you put into this dish. Before we sign off, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to stay up to date with our latest recipe. Thank you for joining us today. Happy cooking!